Yo, what's going on YouTube? Ceejaybrand is back with the brand new tech unboxing video for you guys once again. Now today we're going to be unboxing these Sony WF-C500 earbuds. I had to look at it because this right here reminds you like a serial number or like something you'll see in a warehouse. Go get stock number WF-C500. Bring me all 100 of them. That's what it kind of reminded me of, man. We're going to go ahead and get straight into the video. We're going to go ahead and unbox this thing right here and test it out, man. See what's going on with these headphones. Just got them just because, man. So let's go ahead and get it. Alright, you guys, so we are back with the Sony WF-C500 headphones. This is my first pair of Sony headphones that I can think of. I only had Apple AirPods and Beats by Dre, pretty much, that I'm going to use. So we're going to go ahead and start this video up, and let's go ahead and get this box opened, and let's see what's inside of this package and see if we actually like these headphones, because I'm quite curious to figure out if it's going to be something slight. So we go ahead and start off by opening this box pretty much flap. It's a flap right here. We can just go ahead and pack that up. Got some nice words, start. Oh, it just says start, and then there's a whole bunch of other things right there. I was like, okay. And then it looks like we have a tutorial right here as well. So I guess we just open up the box right there, hit that QR code, and I guess we're ready to listen, man. So inside the box right here, we do have these, oh gosh. We do have these 3 items in here, or a couple items. We got the headphones, the wires, extra little cotton things, you know, for everybody, earballs or whatever. So let's go ahead and start off by taking the headphones out first. Here go the little gels I was talking about. Probably can't see that. My face want to get in focus only. Got those, and then we got the charger cable. The charger cable is going to be USB A type to USB C type, so it's pretty cool that we have that implemented in here. The last thing we got inside the box, take this little thing out of here. Documentation always buried at the bottom because nobody really cares about documentation. But this right here does show you how to actually activate the dang on headphones. But you're pretty experienced, man. We can go ahead and get straight into it. So Sony WF-C500s. I've been seeing a lot of videos that these are kind of compared to other Sony headphones. I have nothing, I have no knowledge of them. So we can start off by looking at the design of these things. Pretty typical design that you'll see in any like one of the new wireless headphones. It's always the same exact thing, little cylinder size shape headphones, pretty much. Apple, I think Apple is the only one I've seen so far with a different packaging for them, honestly. The headphones I've already unboxed on here, they look exactly like this. Exactly. So we opening up the case right now. We got both of the AirPods inside of his body. So we pretty much take those out and hey, get into it. Pretty much I'm ready to, you know, go ahead and do the sound test on them. Ready to see how good these things are, because these were like $100 pair of not headphones, but earbuds and stuff. So quite curious to figure out if the sound is going to be up to par and everything. You guys, so I got the headphones out. Now I will say this, they do feel weird as heck in my ear. But dang, they sound real good. The Bluetooth is pairing right quick. Oh my God, this sounds so weird. Let's go ahead and see. Like, I can hear myself breathing and I'm like, dog, you sound a mess. This is so weird. Okay. So let's go ahead and go through all of our thing. WF-C500s right here on the connection. I'm officially connected. I don't know what the heck iHomeit things are, but we do need to, I should have got that app right there. It did say, that's a Sony app that we should be using, but that's all cool. Let's go down here, go to music right quick. And we'll just start off with playing, now let's look at something different right quick. I got a lot of random music in my phone, so don't judge me at all. Okay. Okay. All right. So test quality wise, I mean, it's pretty cool. It's not my style just because of these right here. I'm not a big fan of the silicone tips, but as you guys see that the case it has the pods in there, and it is charging up. You can see by the LED flashing light. I keep moving over and everything. But let's go ahead and get into the specs of this product right quick. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into some more details about this product, man. Why would you actually go out and go pick up the Sony I don't even know what the heck, the WF-C500. Why would you pick them up, man? Let's talk about battery life. Let's figure out how much battery power can this thing actually like produce, pretty much. And so far, what I've been reading up on is 10 hours of battery life. Then also you get an additional 10 hours of charging inside the case as well. So in the grand total, you get 20 hours of battery life out of this thing, basically off of I guess 2 charges technically. So that's a pretty cool thing right there. It is also rated IPX4 for water resistance. So if you do go ahead and, you know, jump in the water, or, you know, don't jump in the water. I don't know why anybody would bring electronics in the water. I don't care how good this iPhone is in water. I would never go underwater with my iPhone unless I got a backup one. And yeah, you know the gist. You also can go ahead and use the Sony app and do the EQ customization program. You can just browse through that pretty much and change a couple settings. I don't change my EQ settings just because the Apple AirPods, I got the 3rd generation, the first or the second one, or whatever they want to call it. Both of those, they're pretty much cool with it. So, I mean, hey, why buy more? I mean, not why buy more, but why do more to it? And I mean, pretty much that's all I got on these headphones. I mean, them 3 things, that's all I want to really touch on. Sound quality wise, I do give this right here a B+. Just because I'm used to the Apple AirPods, then I don't have the silicone tips on there at all. So like I said, when I got these in my ear, I feel like I'm suffocating my eardrum, and it's like I can hear myself breathe, talk, and do that. I can hear too much, man, but hey, it is what it is. That's my personal preference. Otherwise than that, if you are somebody that already uses these silicone ear things, I would go ahead and give this right here a rating out of I would say 10 out of, I would say 8 out of 10 rating, and give it like a A- rating as well. So hey, that's all we got for you guys today for the Sony WF-C500 wireless earbuds. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for some more content. And until next time, guys, the brand is out. Peace.